everyone, welcome back to ComputerZen. So, the topic for today's video is the concept and the functions about function keys and their uses. So let us see. But before that, we have to know what is the meaning of function key. A function key is a key on a computer which can be programmed so as to cause an operating system or application program to perform specific actions. Purpose of F keys or function keys. The Fn key or function key used with F keys across the top of the keyboard provides shortcuts for performing actions such as controlling the brightness of the screen, turning on the Bluetooth or turning off the Wi-Fi. Now what are the top 5 function keys of keyboard? First, F1 key. F1 key with Windows keys show up Windows Help and Support screen. It can also be used to enter CMOS setup. F2 key. Alt plus Control plus F2 opens document window in Microsoft Office. Control plus F2 displays print preview window in Microsoft Office. Alt plus F2 opens save as window in Microsoft Excel. F3 key. Press F3 to open search window to find files and folders. In Microsoft Word, Shift plus F3 changes the text from uppercase to lowercase or capital letters. F4 key. The most common Alt plus F4 is used to close current program window. If no program window is open, it launches shutdown dialog box. Now we can also press F4 to repeat the last action performed in Microsoft Word. F5 key. Almost in modern internet browsers, pressing F5 refreshes or reloads the web page. Starts slideshow in PowerPoint. It also opens Finds and Replace window in Microsoft Word or Go To window in Excel.
So that was all for our video. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel ComputerZen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.